Hello everyone! In this video, I provide you some short summary on what is time binding in General Semantic and who developed this term.
Time binding is a central concept in general semantics introduced by Alfred Korzybski. First of all, let's know about Alfred Korzybski. He was a Polish-American independent scholar who developed a field called General Semantic. He argued that the human knowledge of the world is limited by both the human's nervous system and the language humans have developed, and thus no one can have direct access to reality. His best-known dictum is, "The map is not the territory."
First, we discussed about the definition of time binding. Definition of time binding is that time binding means that humans have the unique ability to pass knowledge, experiences, skills, and discoveries from one generation to the next, allowing continuous progress. If we split definition, first, we know that time binding is about unique ability that only humans possessed, and that was transmit knowledge and experience to other generation by using symbols, language, and communication. It is a human's responsibility to preserve the knowledge and pass it to future generations. For example, you learn English literature today because past scholars wrote books and built theories.
There are many key points about this time binding. We learned about some points that help human pass knowledge and experience to other generation. First point is human evolution and time binding. Human as a time past evolutated themselves and learned new things. For example, early humans learned to make fire, later generations improved techniques, and simple social groups evolved into complex civilizations through shared learning.
Second key point is language and symbols, which play very crucial role in time binding. Language is the core instrument of time binding. Without language, knowledge cannot be accurately transferred. Humans use words, signs, symbols, numbers, images, writing systems. These allow the preservation of experience beyond the lifespan of one individual. Language transforms personal knowledge into shared knowledge, forming a collective memory for society. For example, a physics formula written centuries ago can still be learned today because symbols preserve meaning over time.
Third key point is cultural transmission. Cultural transmission means passing on beliefs, traditions, values, art, literature, customs, skills, and technologies. Through time binding, each generation inherits a cultural world created by previous generations. Stories, rituals, myths, and written texts help societies remember their past and guide future behavior. Cultural memory ensures continuity of civilization, preservation of identity, and development of shared norms and knowledge. For example, epics like Beowulf or Mahabharata survive because societies transmit them across time.
Fourth key point is scientific and technical progress. Science grows through accumulation, correction, and expansion of knowledge, the purest form of time binding. Each scientific discovery builds on earlier ideas. Einstein built on Newton. Modern computers evolved from early mechanical calculating machines. Medical science advanced from ancient herbal knowledge to modern genetics. Technological progress depends on systematic record-keeping, experiments and observations, shared scientific language and formulas, collaboration across generations. Time binding creates a snowball effect. More knowledge, better tools, faster discoveries, more knowledge. Thus, science and technology are the most visible expressions of time binding in action.
Fifth key point is education and learning. Education is the organized form of time binding. It consciously transfers accumulated human knowledge to the next generation. Schools, universities, libraries, and now digital platforms function as time-binding institutions. Education ensures Young people do not need to rediscover basic skills. Knowledge is systematized and preserved. Errors and biases can be corrected over time. A shared understanding is created within society. Learning allows individuals to benefit from centuries of accumulated wisdom, build on it with new ideas, continue the chain of time binding. For example, you study Shakespeare today because generations preserved and passed down his works. Through education, every human being becomes a link in the long chain of accumulated human knowledge.
In short, time binding is the human ability to preserve knowledge, transmit it, and improve it across time. It operates through human evolution shaped by cultural growth, language and symbolic systems, cultural transmission, scientific and technological progress, education and learning. I hope this video helped for understanding time binding in General Semantic. Please like and subscribe for more videos.